Hi, I'm back and ready to draw, and I've figured out how to have our objects we're drawing be on the screen as well as me. Now I'm going to just draw facing me, and then I'll show you later. Now I just got some new, I like to work with charcoal on this project because it's so great to be able to use your fingers and blend your color. But I'm trying these. These are blendable pencils, they were called anyway. So let's see how blendable they are. So I'm going to kind of use it on the side and then use my finger to blend. They're okay. They're not as good as charcoal by any means. But we'll get going on our shapes and see how. So get any kind of piece of paper you can find. I've got this nice little sketchbook. These, again, you can get at Michael's, at Walmart, at anywhere to have a little sketchbook to work with. So I'm just lightly, you guys remember, I always talk to you about sketching and not drawing a hard line. And to draw a circle, if you use your whole arm, look, I'm just going over and over it really, really lightly. And I'm going to start finding my shadow. Now, the way I'm situated, the light is coming directly at me from outside. So I'm going to have a hard time finding a good shadow on these guys. The shadow's kind of coming, well, it's coming directly at me. So now I've got my sphere. Remember, a sphere is a three-dimensional shape, starting with a circle, right? So I'm going to get that one started with my, like I say, my shadow is coming right towards me because the light is in front of me. I'll just get this blocked in, and then we're going to move on to the cube because each one continues to get a little more challenging. Now, if you think light, just working really, really light, so that then you can come back and go dark, and you can also go lighter with an eraser if you've got one. Yeah, this lighting is pretty tricky because the shadow's coming around on my side. And down here it's really dark. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the cast shadow down here. It's the very darkest right here where it meets the edge of that sphere. Wraps around, and then it gets lighter and lighter. So half of learning how to draw is understanding what kind of pressure you put on your pencil, and when you push hard, when you go soft, when you have a hard edge, a soft edge. Drawing is the most important part of being an artist, is learning how to draw and learning how to see what you're drawing so you can get it down accurately. This needs some work, but I'll get to it. So there's the beginning. Gosh, can you even see this? The light. There's my sphere. To begin with. So I'm going to pause. Oh, actually, I'm going to get started on my cube because cubes are tricky. Now, if you picture how many sides a cube has, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then underneath 6. So you want to see all sides. I like to draw my cube looking straight on at this angle. So you've got these two angles here. Now, I know I've talked to you about this before, and I'm going to show you on this little piece of scratch paper. There's a kind of cheating way to do cube, which is fine if you do it lightly and can erase, where you do a square, and then you do another square next to it and down. The same size. It's important that they be the same size. So there I've got my interlocking squares. You see that okay? Then I'm just going to join the corners. So I'm going, I'll hold this up so you can see the magic happen. It needs to be tilted that way. So then I'm joining corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner, and corner to corner. And there I have a cube. See it? So then you're going to erase what's the inside part of the cube and start shading. So that's one way. And that's okay, because that helps you be able to visualize the inside and the outside of a cube. Then I would start filling in this side and erasing that. And this would be solid. Okay, so there's the beginnings of my cube. Now I'm going to pause for a minute and draw this. Be right back.